Hi everyone, Dermot O'Brien is my name and welcome to my workshop. I make these light sculptures out of wood, and because I've received so many questions as to how they are made, what light is in there, how does the light get in there, where is it positioned, and if something goes wrong with the light, how can I replace a bulb, that I will answer these questions now by taking this apart. These three pieces are three individual elements, and the elements are attached to the back plate, which is one piece, using dowels. And the dowels fit very snugly because we don't want this falling off, that it needs some force to take them apart. To avoid damage to the wood, I make a small tool out of soft wood. This is alder, you could use pine or anything, with rounded edges, so that when I insert it in the gap, then I can ease the dowel out and take the piece apart. Before doing this, I have to take the cable which runs here in the groove at the bottom out so that it doesn't snag at anything and no damage occurs. After that, I use this wooden tool, juggle it back and forth to ease the dowels out. And then you can see here where the light source is. There's an E14 candle bulb, an LED bulb, and an E14 socket. Each part of the sculpture has its own light, which is a general rule. If I'm making a bigger part, I may have more than one bulb, 2 bulbs, 3 bulbs, depending on the size, so that the light can travel through the whole extension of the element. Here you see the E14 socket is affixed to the back plate, so the element can just be taken off and is held by the 2 dowels. This is Canadian birch burl, which has a very beautiful figure in it, and it is a very nice contrast to the 2 other pieces. The outside pieces, they are tiger birch. It's where the grain of the wood goes in different directions all the time. It hasn't got a grain that's going in one direction. Because of this, it changes color and shimmers when the light falls on it. I hope you can see how it did this. And here you can see how the inside had been cut out on the scroll saw to a certain degree that the light can travel without any sharp edges through the cavity and come out through the gaps.